Hello guys, you're welcome to Lady Ghost TV. In today's recipe, I will be teaching you how to make Nigeria egg roll. Let's get started. Here is my 1 kilo of flour, my 25 pieces of egg already boiled, my oil, my 4 pieces of egg, my sugar, my baking powder, and my pinch of salt, and my butter, and my cold milk. I'm using my food processor for this recipe. I'll be adding the flour to it, and I'll be adding the sugar, the pinch of salt, and the baking powder. I'm not using nutmeg for this recipe. So let's combine everything together. Let's combine everything together. Now we have combined everything together. Let's add our cold butter to it. Make sure your butter is very cold. And let's on the food processor. Now let's on. You can see. Leave everything to combine. Now let's off it and check. Let's open it. You can see. Let's add our 4 pieces of egg and let's close it back. Let's close it back and let's on it. Now let's off it and check if everything have combined together. Let's open it. Let's see if everything have combined together. We're going to still leave it for some minutes. Everything have not yet combined totally together. I'm still going to leave it for some minutes. Now it's time to add the cold milk to it. Let's add the cold milk to it. We have to off it and add the cold milk. And let's open it. Let's add the milk little by little. We'll be adding it little by little so that the dough will not be watery. So all this one we're going to. Now let's add it little by little. So let's on it, bring it back. Now it's ready. Let's off it and check it. Let's check it because now I think it's ready. You can see. So it's ready. So I'm going to be doing it just little so that all this one will enter, and I'll just do it for just 1 second. Then I will bring it down and continue the rest of the process. Let's cover it. Let's off it and remove it. Let's off it. It's ready. So we are going to be removing it from it. You can see I'm going to be sprinkling flour to my table. Before I remove the bowl from it, I'll sprinkle the flour little by little in my table. I sprinkle little flour, just little flour to my table. Now let's remove it. It's ready. I'm going to add a little flour to it. I'll just knead it little by little with my hand. You can see. Need to just do it little by little. It's very soft. So now I'm going to sprinkle a little flour to my one, just a little flour. You can see I sprinkle a little flour. So I'm going to put the dough here. You can see I'm going to leave it to rest for about 40 to 45 minutes so that it will rest for 40 to 45 minutes. And since if I leave it to rest, then I'll place a pot on the fire and oil. So I place a pot on the fire. I'm going to put it in a medium heat because this is the oil I used to fry my puff yesterday. So now I'm going to leave the oil in a medium heat, number 1, to get hot, and we will place the flour. I'll be covering this up and place it in a part that is warm in my kitchen. After 15 minutes, I just leave it for 15 minutes. So now we are going to cut it into 25 pieces. To be cutting it into 25 pieces, you can see, just cut it into 25 pieces, little pieces. We cut it into 25 pieces. So you can see, just cut it into little pieces. You can see everything is 25 pieces. Let's start putting it to the pan. Take another flour. You can see, take another flour. See guys, so you rub it like this on the egg. So you can see, you have to be very careful so that you will not get burst on the fire. You have to be very careful. So I hope you can see it very well. Be very careful. So now you cut it, then you roll it on the table. Be very careful. This is the way we're going to do all the process. We're going to do all the process like this. Be very careful so that your egg roll will not get burst on the fire. You can see, try to cover it up. So I'm going to do all the process like this. So be very careful so that it will not get burst. You can see. So I'm going to continue the process like this. You can see guys, you'll be doing it like this. Make sure it's very close so that your egg roll will not get burst. Maybe if it's burst, it's not good. You can see. So I'm going to place it aside. You can see it. Let's close it. You have to be careful. Let's close it. See, let's close it. You have to roll so that it will not get burst on the fire. Oil is hot. Let's add the one that is ready to eat, one after the other. Let's add it to it. I'm going to be adding tiri so that it will not be too much. So tiri, I'll be going to add it. Then let's start turning it together. We'll be turning it just little by little. You have to be careful so that it will not get burst. You have to be very careful, because if it's burst, it's not good. So we're not going to be stirring it like this until when our egg roll is ready. I'm going to be adding one more to it. You can contain 4. Make sure you can see. So we'll continue stirring it until when it's ready. Make sure you are very careful so your egg roll will not get burst. Make sure you are very careful. So we continue turning it like this until when it's ready. So let's continue the process. Let's leave this up for a few minutes. Let's continue the other process. It's almost ready. That is why I say you have to be careful so that it will not get burst. You can see, almost ready. I want to rub flour in my hand. You can see. So you do the dough like this so that it will not be sticky. Take an egg, use the egg to rub like this on the flour, then start closing it. You can see guys, close it. Make sure you are very careful so that it will not get burst on the fire. You can see. Then roll it on the table. You can see guys, make sure you are very careful so that you will not get burst. So we are going to do all the process like this. You can see I'll do everything like this. This one here is almost ready. You can see the egg roll, but this one is almost ready. Very beautiful. Oh my god, so yummy. So we are going to leave it again for just 1 second, then we'll be ready. Now let's remove the part that is ready. You can see, wow, very yummy. Let's remove it. Wow. Let's turn this one. Let's turn it. So let's close this one. We'll be closing it like this. You can see. Close it like this. You can see. So now we are going to be cutting it like this. We twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Now you can see. We have cut it. You can see. Let's take it to the fire. Let's add it. I'm doing 25 pieces of egg roll, like what I told you earlier. You can see. Wow. Let's continue with the process. We'll be back. You can see. Let's build our egg, rub our egg like this. So then we are going to cover it up. Cover it to make sure that it did not burst. You can see. This is the last set. Let's turn it together. It's the last set of the egg roll. There I will show you guys the egg roll. This is the last set. Let's turn together. We'll be removing it when it's golden brown. Then we'll be ready. The last one is ready. You can see. This is the last stage. It's ready. Wow, so beautiful. Let's remove it. Let's remove it. So now we are removing the oil for the... Now it's ready, guys. You can see, very beautiful, very yummy, so delicious. Look at the crack. Did not mean the egg roll can have a little crack. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.